Do you know where Matt lives?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be there in like 8 minutes. Alright, peace.
Is that the phone you use for the vlog?
Everything right here.
That's it.
That's it.
Don't give away Matt's
Whole
number.
operation right here. Oh.
Behind the scenes right here.
Check it out.
Whoa!
Damn.
You have to try to nollie backflip the rail.
What? No way.
I'm trying to set you out here.
Maybe nollie back tail, but not.
Nollie back tail, fine.
Actually, no.
If you go for it right now, I promise I will stick the tray.
Promise?
I swear.
Alright.
Alright, I'll do it right now.
Alright, you stuck it. You kept up to your end.
There's nothing difficult about this. Look at this. It's under my wheels.
Wow.
Let me clean it up.
That was sick, bro.
This is like the weirdest tray flip in the world.
Oh my god.
Chad really wants to go to Far Rock, so
Whoa.
I feel like whatever this is, he's gonna know what he wants.
That's not true.
Heads, Far Rock, tails, Hempstead skatepark. Ow.
What is it? I really don't want to go to Far Rock.
It's tails.
Is it?
Tails never fail.
So what was that again?
That was Hempstead.
We're going to Hempstead?
Is that what you want to do though? Really?
No, let's go to Far Rock.
That's what I'm saying! I see you, bro.
The ABC plates in front of you over like the side.
Stop filming me eat these sunflowers.
It's a big nollie tail.
It doesn't look that high from here. So what's the plan, dude?
I don't know, I'll probably try like 10 and then we'll leave. Deal?
What you guys? If you land this,
Yeah?
lunch is on Matt.
Not really feeling
I'll buy you a steak.
A what?
I'll buy you a steak.
Alright.
Ooh! For the steak! Man, we talking ribeye, not like porterhouse or anything.
The first couple, I'm like just gonna jump over the steps. Alright, watch out. Alright. Oh my god, it's too far. Broke the ice. Alright. I kind of thought about it.
Remember what you told me?
What did I tell you?
What did you tell me?
How you want to cover it?
What's the key to commitment?
Key to commitment?
Yeah.
Key to commitment.
Not wasting time.
Why? Yeah, it's time management skills. Like why
So-
try it 50 times if you're gonna stick it? 50th try. All right, right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it. Oh shit.
Look at this. Old Faithful going crazy.
Kind of, almost. I think I actually could do it.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Don't know all the words, but I think it's pretty cool. Oh shit!
It's kind of like. I think we got it.
Yeah, boy! Fakey or regular? What do you think?
What?
Think he's gonna go fakey or regular?
I don't know. That's a good question. Maybe fakey.
Fakey.
All right.
The time is nigh. It is so clean right now. You got this, champion.
I can't do it anymore.
It was a joke.
Yeah, not only in skating, but in Frank's too.
I think I could do it.
I think you can too.
Ow. All right. Try like one more. I know I can do it. I don't know. Last one. Okay. That was not a good attempt at all.
Yo, what? Straight up ninja kicking.
Damn.
I fucking told you. No!
You got it, dude.
No!
You have to land it. Oh my god, dude, so sick, Jay.
Ah! Damn it. Ah! Come on!
This year Halloween fell on the weekend. Me and Ghetto Boys are trick-or-treating, robbing little kids for bags.
I thought I was locked in. I was ready to go. Oh, okay, I'm done. So you're locking in here. How high is that from the steps? Like 3 decks? There's no risk, but if you don't lock in, you just jump into the ground. Right?
Are you gonna go for it?
Yeah, I gotta go right
I got wax. You want me to wax it?
I don't know.
I get it. Damn!
Looks like a bad back tattoo.
The people have spoken. They need handboard tricks. Wow.
That's what they wanted.
Can you do a switch tray flip to blunt? How is that possible?